Starting the recording again. Okay, great. Let's minimize this. Minimize class. So Mirza, we already discussed the DBMS concepts. They are not asked in interviews anyways. So let's move on to syntaxes. So Mirza, it's a really good online resource. You can learn and practice from here if you want to. I'm just pinging you this link on this chat, okay?
Okay.
So this chat gets automatically saved inside your document section.
Okay.
So don't worry about losing this chat, okay?
Okay, no issue.
Yeah. So we discussed the syntax of select statement, distinct clause, where clause. Did we discuss and or?
No, we did not, but I have some actually knowledge and like I can.
Sure. So I will just show you the basic logical flow. Will not go beyond that. New sheet. Yep. Okay. So first talk about logical. Logical diagrams. Logical flows. Okay, I will save it on my desktop. I will share it with you also. What is the date today?
Today is over here is January 29th.
I will call it working with boolean inputs. So let's talk about and. Let's say this is my input 1. This is my input 2. This is my output. My input 1 goes like 1, 1, 0, 0. My input 2 goes like 1, 0, 1, 0. So Mirza, tell me the output of AND. If
Okay, and will be like a confirm object, like 1 and 1, like input 1 and input 2. It will be AND.
So how will we define it? We'll define it like this. If all the inputs are affirmative, only in that case my output will be affirmative.
Yes.
Okay, write it down. If all the inputs are affirmative, done?
No. Okay, if all the input is affirmative,
Only in that case my output is going to be affirmative. Mirza, when we talk about Boolean algebra, we only deal with two variables, 1 and 0, or we can put it
Okay.
like true and false.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So in Boolean algebra, if something is true, it's fully true, or something is false, it is fully false. It is just 1 and 0.
Yes.
So let's say I have several number of inputs. There may be input 3, input 4, and so on. If all the inputs that I have provided to my AND gate are affirmative, only in that case my output is gonna be affirmative. In other words, if all the inputs are true, then only my output will be true. In other
Mm-hmm.
words, if all the inputs are 1, then only my output is gonna be 1.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about OR gate. If any of the inputs are affirmative, then my output is going to be affirmative. Write it down. If any of my inputs
Uh-huh.
is affirmative,
Mm-hmm.
then only, sorry, if any of my inputs is affirmative, then my output is going to be affirmative. Now Mirza, similarly here we can have n number of inputs, input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to n.
Mm-hmm.
If any of those inputs returns 1, then my output is going to return 1. If any of those inputs is true, then my output is going to be true.
Okay.
What is the opposite of AND? Not AND. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
How will not AND work? The opposite output, whatever is expected from AND gate. These are logic gates, Mirza. When we learn about switching theory and finite automata, we call these operations as logic gates. You don't need
Okay.
to remember it. I'm just telling you for your information.
Okay.
So how will NAND gate work? It will be opposite of what was the output of AND gate. So it will go like this. If all my inputs are affirmative, then only my output is going to be 0.
Okay.
If all my if all my inputs are true, then only my output is going to be false. In all the other cases, it will be true.
Okay.
Similarly, we have NOR, or as I can say not or.
Uh,
So its definition will be if any of my inputs is affirmative, then I'm gonna get false. If any of my inputs is true, then my output will be false. तो मिर्जा हमने NAND और NOR डिस्कस किया, अब NOT गेट तो डिस्कस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. If the input is 1, it will return 0. If the input is 0, it will return 1.
yeah.
So the definition is going to be whatever my input is, my output will be opposite of that.
Mm-hmm.
That's definition of NOT gate. तो मिर्जा आप समझ गए अब ये वाला एंड
Yes.
और क्लोज.
Mm-hmm.
यहाँ पर 1 और 0 की जगह कंडीशंस होंगी हमारे पास क्वेरीज में. सैलरी ग्रेटर देन 1000 एंड नेम लाइक यू परसेंटाइल.
Yeah.
मतलब सैलरी ग्रेटर देन 1000 भी होना चाहिए और नाम यू से भी शुरू होना चाहिए अगर एंड गेट लगा हुआ है तो.
Mm-hmm.
then only it will return the results.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll move on. Enclose आपको आता है in?
No, ये नहीं आता है.
Okay, let's see it with the example. समझ गए?
Okay, yes. I got it right now.
Okay, तो इसका डेफिनेशन आप यहाँ से देख लेना. नहीं, यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन नहीं है. मैं लिखवा देता हूँ आपको डेफिनेशन. So, the values which are specified in clause must get satisfied to have affirmative result of where clause, and only those values will be returned.
Okay.
इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं अपन, the values specified in clause must all or some should be present in compared attribute satisfy where clause. ओके, मिर्जा इसको समझने की कोशिश करें हम.
Okay.
हमने किस एट्रीब्यूट से कंपेयर किया? आईडी से कंपेयर किया यहाँ पे, राइट?
Uh-huh.
तो हमने बोला कि हमारी आईडीज जहां पर 6, 3878 और 3965 हैं, हमें उस केस में सिटी के सारे कॉलम्स चाहिए.
Okay, yes.
So in this case we were able to retrieve all the columns which are present in this table city1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, between clause. मिर्जा इनक्लोज समझ में आ गया ना? इसका प्रैक्टिस करना आप यहाँ से. दिस इज ए वेरी गुड ऑनलाइन रिसोर्स. हैकर रैंक मैंने आपको बताया हुआ है ना?
Yes, hacker, yes.
यहाँ पर प्लेंटी ऑफ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस हैं. जो नहीं आएगा वो हम साथ में बैठ के सोल्व करेंगे.
Okay.
कितना भी कोई टफ हो हम साथ में बैठ के सोल्व कर लेंगे. ओके?
Yes.
Between clause. Let me see what all tables I have. I have a table called EMP data 3. Okay. Now I want to get the list of all the employees जिनकी इफेक्टिव डेट 2008 से 2016 के बीच में लाई करती है. So how can I do that? Where effective date between
this.
मिर्जा डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज बाय टू डेट. मैं बाद में आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. Okay.
Okay.
So it returned us all the results which are lying between 1st of January 2008 and which are lying under 1st of January 2016.
16.
Now the point to remember is both of these dates are inclusive. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Both of these dates are inclusive. मेरे पास एक और रिकॉर्ड होता जहां पर इफेक्टिव डेट इज 1st of January 2016 तो वो रिकॉर्ड भी रिटर्न होता. ओके.
Okay.
Similarly, we can compare the salaries also. Salaries कैसे compare करते? Suppose मेरे पास employees की salaries हैं. Tarun is earning 1000. Then Tarun, which is effective from 2010, is earning 20,000. Anuj is earning 30,000. I want to fetch out all the salaries which are greater than 9,000, or the salaries which lies between 9,000 and 31,000. So how can I write query for that? Select start from EMP
Yeah.
data 3, where salary between
Between
my lower limit and my upper limit.
upper limit. Okay.
So that's a point to remember. On left side we have our lower limit and on right side we have our upper limit.
Okay.
Next one.
Can you write it down this query for me, please? Just write it down where
This is the
condition.
query. This is the query. So on left side it is my lower limit and right side is my upper limit.
Okay.
Do remember this. इसमें गड़बड़ हुआ तो it will fetch you nothing. Okay.
Okay.
आप एग्जांपल देखना चाहते हो तो देख लो. No results. Okay.
Okay. Okay. समझा. Yes.
So this is one thing which we need to take care. और ये वीडियो आप फिर से देखना और इसको रिवाइज करना.
Okay.
So मिर्जा आपको कुछ भी रिवाइज करना हो तो आप गूगल पे इस तरह से सर्च करोगे बिटवीन क्लोज SQL examples. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
this is W3 School. It will teach you on a very basic level. But there is one perk of using W3 SQL because here you are getting this virtual runner also. They have already created this products table.
Mm-hmm.
You can just try running SQL and see the results. This products table is already there in their database. So if you want to see whatever is there in product table, you can use like this. So this website is also providing you with sample data. And in a way it is preventing the hiccup of installing database and doing everything by your own. Okay. Next. मिर्जा अब जैसे आपको लाइक क्लॉज सर्च करना है तो कैसे सर्च करोगे? लाइक क्लॉज एसक्यूएल एग्जांपल्स. तो आपको बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स दिखा देगा ऐसे. टेक ऑन द नेट इज अनदर रिसोर्स, another good resource that I already told you.
Yeah.
Tutorial points is already we are referring it to right now. This will confuse you. If you will go to original Oracle website, this will confuse you a little bit because it is in verbose details. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm closing all the other tabs. It was just to show you how to find online resources. लाइक क्लोज मिर्जा कैसे यूज करते हैं अपन लाइक क्लोज? मैंने आपको रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन पढ़ने के लिए बोला था, राइट?
Yeah. Like or percentage sign देके
करेक्ट
use करता हूँ.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट, एकदम सही. वेर emp name like t परसेंटेज.
Yeah.
तो मिर्जा यहाँ पे जो t परसेंटेज लिखा हुआ है ना, इट इज नथिंग बट रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन.
Mm-hmm.
तो मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे भी लिख सकता था, t उसके बाद कुछ भी आ जाए, उसके बाद r आना चाहिए.
Okay.
दिस अंडरस्कोर मतलब कुछ भी आ जाए. अगर इसका नाम टीरून भी होता तो भी ये अपने को रिटर्न कर देता.
Okay.
हम बोल रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल टी एंड थर्ड लेटर शुड बी आर, और उसके बाद कुछ भी.
Yes.
With by specifying this underscore here, that we are specifying here that it is second position.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, if we'll specify this caret sign, it means it should begin from t. Sorry, not here. Okay, it works in Unix. So Mirza, for now you will remember this percentage and underscore what it does.
Yes.
Okay. ऑर्डर बाय से क्या करेंगे? जैसे नाम ही सजेस्ट कर रहा है, ऑर्डर करना है हमें कॉलम्स को.
Yes.
अपनी
What about
अपनी पुरानी टेबल को देखते हैं अपन. मिर्जा हमने ऑर्डर बाय नहीं डिस्कस किया ना?
what about need discuss किया but वो order by मैं जब वो जॉब पे था एक दिन आप मेरे को समझा था like you know how basically order by.
ओके ओके, अभी अपन एम करेंगे कि अपन सब कुछ कवर करें ताकि कुछ मिस ना हो.
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो ऑर्डर बाय मैंने ईएमपी नेम किया तो एम्प्लॉय नेम से ऑर्डर बाय हो गया. अब
Uh-huh.
सपोज मैं ईएमपी नेम और ईएमपी आईडी से ऑर्डर करता तो क्या होता? जैसे प्रकाश 3 बार आ रहा है, अगर इनकी आईडी डिफरेंट होती तो ये आईडी से भी ऑर्डर बाय हो जाता प्रकाश आपस में. अच्छा मिर्जा, एक क्वेश्चन, इसका आंसर बिल्कुल सही से ही देना. अगर मैं
Uh-huh.
पहले ईएमपी आईडी को रखता हूँ, उसके बाद ईएमपी नेम रखता हूँ.
Can you hold on 1 minute just give me.
श्योर.
sorry बरोबर. হ্যাঁ বলেন. একটু বিজি আছি এখন বলেন. হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা আগামী শনিবার দেওয়া চাইতে ওই যে ওই যে রূপা মানে রূপা তোলাবে আসতেছে ভাবি তো মনে বলছে রূপারে ওই তখনই একবারেই যাবে না সে আসতেছে মনে হয় 17 তারিখে না 16 এরকম আসতেছে 17 বা 18 তারিখ আসতেছে তখন এক সময় যাবে না ঠিক আছে. Hello, Pom.
Yeah मिर्जा, कैन वी
Yeah,
कंटिन्यू नाउ?
sorry.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
Yes.
अच्छा मिर्जा, एक चीज हमारी रह गई थी, हमने ग्रुप बाय नहीं डिस्कस किया अभी तक. वो इंटेंशनली नहीं डिस्कस किया अभी तक. हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay.
सो यू आर क्लियर टिल ऑर्डर बाय, राइट?
Uh-huh.
हाँ, आई वाज आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चन.
Oh, yes, yes, yeah.
अच्छा मिर्जा, मैंने इसको ऑर्डर बाय ईएमपी आईडी और फिर ईएमपी नेम किया, तो इसमें मुझे फर्स्ट रिजल्ट क्या मिलेगा? हैव ए लुक एट दिस टेबल एंड टेल मी. फर्स्ट ईएमपी नेम मुझे क्या मिलेगा इसमें? बताओ.
प्रकाश.
ये पूरा डेटा सेट देखो.
Okay, then it will be Tarun.
Exactly right. So you got the concept. Okay, we are gonna discuss this group by also later on. बाकी सब हमने डिस्कस कर लिया, राइट?
Yes.
कमिट और रोलबैक क्या होता है वो मैं आपको जब ट्रांजैक्शंस के बारे में बताऊंगा तब मैं आपको बताऊंगा, ठीक है?
Okay.
चलो अब ग्रुप बाय डिस्कस कर लेते हैं अपन. लेट्स कम टू द एक्सेल. आई एम कॉलिंग दिस शीट एज एग्रीगेशन. ओके. Hey Mirza, are you back?
Yes.
So Mirza, have a look at this table. This is a table called students having three attributes: name, student, and marks. Up1 in subject 1 gets 20 marks, in subject 2 gets 24 marks, 12, 12, 19. Rajesh gets 20, 13, 12, 14, 19. Pranav gets 20, 23, 12, 21, and 20. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we are seeing data corresponding to 3 students over here. So what is the query that we should write to get all the data from this table? Mirza, I am giving you control. You will be writing the query on Excel itself. Okay?
Okay.
So in this way it will be. Yeah. Write that query for retrieving everything from table students. Select star from students. That's right. You don't need to complete it. Second, write a query to fetch out the marks corresponding to a student named Up1. Write the query to fetch out records corresponding to a student named Up1. Mirza, the column name is name. So you need to write select star from student
Oh,
where name equal to Up1.
yes.
Take care of all the spellings. Name equal to Up1 in single quotes. So this is how you are going to get. No, 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 no. Mirza, in whatever we mention in quotes is case sensitive. So
Oh,
you need to mention it as it is. It is very important. UPVAN. Okay. Mirza, write the same clause using inquiry. Write it here. I want to see all the records corresponding to Upwan and Rajesh. Write the query for
upom.
that. Upwan and Rajesh. Use the in clause here that we just discussed. Hurry up. कोई बात नहीं मिर्जा, आप गलत लिखोगे तो आई विल करेक्ट इट. जस्ट ट्राई. नेम इन.
Okay.
Where name in.
No, how I was trying to like name equal to Upom and Rajesh.
Then Mirza, it will return nothing because there is no way that name is Uppan also and Rajesh also. So
Oh,
then you will be writing where name equal to Uppan or name equal to Rajesh.
okay. Yes, yes. I'm sorry. Yes, Upom or Rajesh. Yes.
Name equal to,
Okay. So,
you will not write name equal to Uppan or Rajesh. You will write name equal to Uppan or name equal to Rajesh
okay.
properly. Okay.
Okay.
Very well. Close the bracket. Put the semicolon afterwards. Great. So Mirza, from this query, you are gonna get records
Um,
corresponding to Uppan and Rajesh.
Upom,
Yes.
brother, my wife and kids, they just left. Like, give me 2 minutes.
Sure, sure. You can go and come back. Mhm.
Okay, sorry, brother.
Okay, we can continue now.
Yeah.
Okay, what is this? Oh, some irrelevant sheet. One moment, one moment. Okay, I lost it, I guess. No. Nope. Okay, I'll make it again. It's okay. Escape. So it is irrelevant. Let's close this. Okay, Mirza. So Mirza, Mirza, अब आप free हो ना? Hello. Now you can attend it continuously. Mirza, this is very important concept. This group by concept. हम इंफॉर्मेटिका में एग्रीगेटर यूज करते हैं ना मिर्जा?
Yes.
एग्रीगेटर से हम जो
From. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं?
No. I'm talking with you.
ओके. सो मिर्जा एग्रीगेटर से हम जो भी फंक्शन अचीव करते हैं ना इंफॉर्मेटिका में, वो सब हम ग्रुप बाई से अचीव कर सकते हैं एसक्यूएल में. सो इट इज लाइक वन इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. तो मिर्जा इस क्वेरी से हमें क्या मिला? वो सारे रिकॉर्ड्स मिल गए जहां पे स्टूडेंट का नाम है उपवन और राजेश. राइट?
Yes.
मिर्जा अब मुझे चाहिए कि I want to get summation of marks corresponding to Uppan. How can I achieve it? Summation of marks corresponding to Uppan.
Okay. So
मुझे इसका रिजल्ट ऐसे चाहिए मिर्जा. ये देखो, इक्वल टू सम ऑफ, दिस शुड बी माई रिजल्ट.
okay.
इसको मैं एसक्यूएल में कैसे अचीव करूंगा मिर्जा?
So select name from student. No.
सेलेक्ट. मिर्जा क्वेरी लिखने का ट्राई करो इसके लिए, अभी तक जितना पढ़ा है उसको उससे रिलेट करके. go few lines down and write it properly. यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा रश नहीं हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे लिख दो select. go ahead. सम तो मैंने अभी आपको पढ़ाया नहीं है, बट ओके. सम ऑफ मार्क्स. हाँ, लिखे सही लिख रहे हैं आप. सम ऑफ मार्क्स. इट्स ओके. कॉलम्स का नाम कैसे इंसेंसिटिव होता है ओरेकल में. unless and until it is mentioned in those double braces, double quotes. हाँ, एक मिनट, लेट मी चेक कि ये मीटिंग रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. वन मोमेंट मिर्जा, वन मोमेंट. Yes, it is getting recorded. Okay, Mirza. Please continue. Continue, please. Mirza, नेट का कोई इशू नहीं है ना?
No.
It is clearly audible and it is going smooth till now. Correct? Done?
Yes.
So मिर्जा ये क्या करेगा? whatever is supposed to return in select, it will return it to you. So it will return you this. It will return you this. हमारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमें एग्रीगेट करना चाहिए जहां जहां पर हमारा नाम इज उप1, राइट? सो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? सेलेक्ट सम ऑफ मार्क्स फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये स्पेलिंग आप ध्यान रखें हमेशा, दिस मैटर्स. लीव द कंट्रोल, आई एम टेकिंग इट बैक. Okay. Select sum of marks from students where name is equal to up1 and group by name. Okay.
Okay.
So what it will return? It will return me 87. Mirza, what if I want summation of all the marks got by all the students?
Hello?
Yes, Mirza.
Yeah, go ahead.
Mirza, I want to see my result like this. I want to see that up1 got 87, Rajesh got 78 and Pranav got 'What if I want to see my result like this?
Okay.
Again,
then you have to do like select some marks from student one name in Upam, Rajesh, and Pranav group by name.
Correct. Correct. That's what was expected, Mirza. So Mirza, यहाँ पर मैंने सब कुछ select कर लिया ना table से. Now I don't need to specify anything in where clause since I am selecting everything from my table. So I can simply write select name, comma sum of marks from students where में मुझे कुछ भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So I'll write select sum of marks from students group by name. I'll write it like this: select name, comma sum of marks from students group by name. Okay. So it will return me a result like this: Up1 87, Rajesh 78, Pranav 96. Okay.
Okay.
Now I can do multiple kind of operations using group by clause. So what are operations we can do using group by clause? We are gonna discuss those. Okay.
Okay.
So first is we have seen sum. Second, if we want to find average of all this, so we can do average also.
Yes.
Average of these five. Okay. We can also calculate maximum and minimum of these five.
Yes.
Maximum of these five. maximum of these 5 is 20 and maximum of these 5 is 23. Okay, we can also
Okay.
calculate minimum.
Minimum, yes.
Minimum of these 5. मेरे को एक्सेल भी सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं मैं आपको. ध्यान दें इस पे, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. अब देखो मैं कितना फटाफट से कर पा रहा हूँ ना ये सब.
Uh-huh.
सो दिस इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू ऑल्सो. सो यहाँ पर मैंने फॉर्मूला नहीं पेस्ट किया, यहाँ पे मुझे चाहिए ये 5 वैल्यूज और यहाँ पे कुछ और वैल्यूज आ रही हैं G11 से. ओके, मिनिमम कैलकुलेट किया है तो मिनिमम इज 12, सो वी आर राइट. और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं मिर्जा अपन ग्रुप बाई में? सोचो,
Uh,
एग्रीगेशन लेवल पे कुछ भी सोचो.
yeah, then you can do count also.
करेक्ट. सो काउंट करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? Corresponding to
5
Uttam,
रहेगा.
how many rows are there? 5 rows are there.
Yes.
Corresponding to Rajesh, how many rows are there? 5 rows. Corresponding to Pranav,
5.
5 rows.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So let's see more group by functions or on internet.
Then you can do also top, right?
Correct. Group, no, not top.
Top, you can, top is not in aggregator function.
Top is not aggregation. Top is like we are selecting top 10 rows or top 20 rows which are result of a SQL query. So here is a detailed note on aggregate functions. So we can do all these aggregate functions, okay?
Okay.
Average we have seen, count we have seen. We can do first and last, not top. Okay?
Okay.
Then we have seen max, minimum. We can also calculate mean, median, and mode. You are aware of that because you were a student of accounting. Mean, median, and mode. मिर्जा,
Mm-hmm.
याद आ रहा है आपको mean, median, and mode? Okay. Mirza, have you had a subject called statistics?
Yeah.
So statistics में हम calculate करते हैं ना mean, median and mode.
Uh-huh.
मैं उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ, वो भी calculate कर सकते हैं हम group by का use करके.
Okay.
So Mirza, it's a useful link, but we don't aim to go through all of them. Although I will explain you few of these. Like I will explain you, let's say list aggregation. I will explain you rank.
Dense, yeah, rank, dense rank.
Rank and dense rank. मिर्जा, हमारी
Uh-huh.
क्लास में 4 स्टूडेंट हैं. They got marks like 5, 6, 7 and 8. तो 5 वाले को कौन सा रैंक मिलेगा? सबसे लास्ट वाला. 6 वाले को सेकंड लास्ट वाला and so on, right?
Okay. Okay, yes.
अब क्या होता अगर हमारी क्लास के 2 स्टूडेंट दोनों 5 नंबर ले आते?
Okay.
तो लास्ट पोजीशन किसी को नहीं मिलता उस केस में अगर डेंस रैंक करते तो. It would be first rank, second rank, and third rank. It will depend on
Uh-huh.
all the distinct values of the attribute that we are aggregating upon.
Mm-hmm.
But in case of rank, we would get 4 different ranks. The last one will go to maximum of row ID. I'll show you an example. ये वाला एग्जांपल देखो मिर्जा. Upman scored 87, Rajesh scored 78, Pranav scored 96. So Pranav got first rank, Rajesh got Upman got second rank, and Pranav got third rank.
Third rank, yeah.
What am I saying, man? Sorry, I'm so sorry. Pranav got first rank, Then Upwan got second rank and Rajesh got third rank.
Yes.
The marks scored by Pranav were 96, Upwan scored 87 and Rajesh scored 78. What if there was another bright student in the class named Abhi, and Avi Cohen scored, let's say, 96 marks. So there is a conflict of interest between Avi and Pranav, that who will get the first rank. So in case of rank, both depending upon whatever row ID comes first will get first rank and second rank. Okay?
Okay.
लेकिन डेंस रैंक के केस में कैसा होगा, अवी और प्रणव दोनों को फर्स्ट रैंक मिलेगा. उपवन को कौन सा रैंक मिलेगा, थर्ड रैंक मिलेगा, ना कि सेकंड रैंक. और राजेश को फोर्थ रैंक मिलेगा. अब आप पूछो कि उपवन को थर्ड रैंक क्यों मिला, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टू रैंक्स अभी और प्रणव ने कवर कर ली. राइट?
Okay. Because of the row ID.
No, forget about row ID. We are talking about dense rank here. Okay?
Okay.
So dense rank के केस में अगर दोनों के मार्क्स सेम है तो दोनों का रैंक भी सेम होगा. Right?
Yes, but how come he got rank third then? So why where
So,
is the second rank goes?
Correct. That's what the difference between rank and dense rank. If it was rank, I would have got second. I would have got third rank. Avi would have got first rank. Pranav would have got second rank.
Okay.
So let's search for it and confirm the fact. Dense rank and rank. So Mirza, I think here we will get good explanation. One, two, three, 5, 1, 2, 1. What is this? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, ऐसा होता है. हाँ, आई एम सॉरी मिर्जा, मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा गलत बता दिया, बट कॉन्सेप्ट सेम है. ठीक है? ये देखो, यहाँ तक अपने डेटा सेट को यहाँ तक देखो सिर्फ. ठीक है, मैं इसको कहीं और कॉपी कर लेता हूँ ताकि इट वुड बी इजियर. सो मिर्जा, रैंक के केस में क्या हुआ, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड रैंक मिला. अगर थर्ड रैंक दो लोगों को मिला है
Okay.
तो फोर्थ रैंक स्किप हो जाएगा और डायरेक्ट फिफ्थ रैंक मिलेगा.
Okay.
जबकि डेंस रैंक के केस में क्या होगा, कोई भी नंबर स्किप नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड दो लोगों को मिला तो नेक्स्ट वाला रैंक फिफ्थ नहीं होगा बल्कि 4 होगा.
4 होगा. Okay.
दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रैंक एंड डेंस रैंक.
Okay.
ओके?
Okay.
इसको मैं और सर्च करके कंफर्म कर लूंगा. दैट्स द प्राइमरी डिफरेंस. देखो यहाँ पे भी हम देखें, जैसे फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ, फर्स्ट सेकंड, अगर सेकंड दो लोगों को मिला तो डायरेक्ट फोर्थ रैंक मिला है यहाँ पे.
Yes.
थर्ड रैंक नहीं मिला. जबकि इस वाले केस में देखें हम, अगर सेकंड दो लोगों को भी मिला है ना तो भी नेक्स्ट रैंक थर्ड रैंक होगा, ना कि फोर्थ रैंक.
Yes. Okay.
सो दैट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेंस रैंक एंड रैंक.
Rank. Okay. So basically dance rank पे नंबर स्किप होता है, बट रैंक पे स्किप नहीं होता.
रैंक में स्किप होता है, डेंस रैंक पर स्किप नहीं होता. ये देखिए, फर्स्ट सेकंड और फिर थर्ड स्किप हो गया, डायरेक्ट फोर्थ आया.
ओके, रैंक पे स्किप होता है डांस। ओके
करेक्ट। अब डेंस रैंक में हम देखें तो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, फिर थर्ड आया, थर्ड स्किप नहीं हुआ। So I'll write it. Should I write it or should I paste this link?
नो दैट्स
ये
फाइन, दैट्स फाइन।
ये वाला लिंक मैं आपको पेस्ट कर देता हूँ, है ना?
यस।
So see the difference between rank and dense rank from here. That was important. That's why we discussed it. ये इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन होता है मिर्जा. Okay?
ओके
Difference between rank and dense rank. So Mirza, what is the status of understanding of group by? अब group by आपको ठीक से समझ में आया?
हाँ।
Okay, great. तो ग्रुप बाई पर प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से मिलेंगे? Let me check on HackerRank. There are some practice questions. Yeah, we have plenty of examples on aggregation. Okay?
या
ये पूरा सेक्शन आपको सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है?
ओके
ओके मिर्जा, आपका अकाउंट में देखूंगा कल. ओके?
ओके
कल आपके अकाउंट से लॉगिन करेंगे एंड वी विल सी कि आपने कितने सॉल्व किए इसमें से. सो यू बाय नाउ यू शुड हैव फिनिश्ड बेसिक सिलेक्ट एंड एडवांस सिलेक्ट. एडवांस सिलेक्ट में क्या है?
एक्चुअली क्या होता है, लाइक जब यहाँ पे मैं एक जगह पे अटक हो जाता है उस टाइम पे, लाइक आई कैन गो फर्दर विदाउट escape that, right?
सो यू कैन मैसेज मी एट दैट टाइम. मैं ऑफिस में हूँगा तो ऑफ कोर्स आपको रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाऊंगा बिकॉज अनलाइक
Okay,
बिफोर मेरे ऑफिस में सारे सोशल नेटवर्किंग बैंड हैं.
okay, समझा।
बट मैं व्हाट्सएप पे आपको रिप्लाई करने का ट्राई करूंगा, ठीक है?
Okay,
आप मुझे पूरा क्वेश्चन भेजना. मिर्जा इस पे आप अटेंशन दो क्योंकि ये चीजें आपको समझनी ही पड़ेंगी अगर आपको जॉब चाहिए तो, वरना फिर स्ट्रगल होगा.
no, no, I'm trying to learn more stuff on SQL actually, you know, or like I am trying to give, oh, कुछ कुछ चीज मेरे को पता नहीं था, अभी अभी थोड़ा पता चला, लाइक वो वीडियो देखने के बाद एक्चुअली, यू नो, तो अब आई एम ट्राइंग टू watching those videos and I'm taking note at the last, like, you know, I will show you, like, you know, and we can discuss about something like उस दिन मेरे को मालूम पड़ा, like, you know, SQL पे you can set the like identity, right? Identity set.
I'm not aware of it. Is it there in Oracle?
No, it's SQL.
What is set identity?
Identity set, like, you know, okay, say example, if you
Mm-hmm.
by mistake, if you delete one row
Mm-hmm.
with the ID, okay, if you try to generate the same row, but your unique ID actually will be different, like a employee ID 1 2 3 4 5, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if by mistake, like, you know, UPOM employee ID number 4, if you delete that, if you recreate that UPOM again, but the ID will be number 6, not number 4 anymore because
That is
of
the
the
case.
identity.
That is the case when we are using sequence for populating one particular column.
Yes.
We can choose to
So,
do that in Microsoft SQL. For implementing similar functionality in Oracle, we have sequences.
okay. So at that point, it's in Microsoft SQL. What you do basically, you turn on the identity
Mhm.
set. Then you can forcefully input like create UPOM with employee ID 4.
Yes, you can do that. मिर्जा जब SQL सर्वर में हम टेबल क्रिएट करते हैं ना तो क्रिएट करते टाइम हम स्पेसिफाई करते हैं whether I want to keep this field as identity. If I want to keep that field as identity, it will always take its value from a running sequence.
Yes.
But if we'll explicitly specify that I want to populate this value in this particular column, we will be able to do that.
Okay.
उसके बारे में डिटेल्स में देखेंगे मिर्जा अपन जब हम सीक्वेंसेस की बात करेंगे ना ओरेकल में। मिर्जा आप ओरेकल और इन्फॉर्मेटिका को रिलेट करने का ट्राई किया करो। जैसे अभी अपन ने ग्रुप बाय डिस्कस किया, वी टॉक्ड अबाउट एग्रीगेशन आल्सो।
ओके। यस।
हमने एग्रीगेटर की बात की इन्फॉर्मेटिका में, राइट?
यस।
तो ऐसे रिलेट करने का ट्राई किया करो कि ये जो चीजें मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ, हाउ कैन आई इम्प्लीमेंट द सेम फंक्शनलिटी इन इन्फॉर्मेटिका।
Okay.
After we are done with SQL, we are going to start with Informatica eventually.
Okay.
वैसे हमारा पेस काफी ठीक है, एक हफ्ता और लगेगा ओरेकल फिनिश होने में भी, एक हफ्ता या 10 दिन। Should we expedite it or is it the good pace that we are going?
No, I think this is a good pace, but actually, if you want to do some little bit fast pace, that's fine also because right now. Oh, okay. What happened? You remember, like I applied with the one job for Porsche.
Yeah.
In San Antonio, like yeah, when I believe Friday. Friday actually, technical recruiter actually he called me. He was a foreign guy actually, American guy, and he goes through about some technical thing like what I'm doing, this and that, and you know. So I explained with him like in my current project what I'm doing, this and that. He said, okay, that's fine. Looks like you'll be fit for this position. So he will contact with his manager and he'll give me the feedback, So let's see what happens.
Wow, Mirza, you gave an interview by yourself. Great.
No, it was just a screening, It's not
So, okay, so you tried for this knowledge momentum, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Apex system.
Yes.
Okay, great. ओके मिर्जा, जब इंटरव्यू हो तो मुझे बता देना। इस बार नावेद को नहीं पूछेंगे, इस बार आई विल ट्राई टू गिव द इंटरव्यू माई सेल्फ।
No, yes, like if you do yourself, I think because उस दिन इंटरव्यू तो
बहुत ज्यादा इजी था,
नॉर्मल था
बहुत
एक्चुअली.
इजी था,
या
सब कुछ
बहुत
आता था।
इजी था actually.
I was writing down all the answers also on the notepad, right?
Yeah, but actually Naved Naved knows everything, but he was kind of scared, I think that's why उसका communication थोड़ा
मिर्जा अगर ये
slow
पीएल
होता.
सीक्वल का टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू होता ना और थोड़ा सा टफ होता और नावेद होता दूसरी साइड, तो पीएल सीक्वल का इंटरव्यू ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है कि नावेद नहीं निकाल पाता। दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड हिम टू अटेंड दिस।
Okay.
मिर्जा मुझे भी श्योरिटी चाहिए ना, अगर पीएल सीक्वल का इंटरव्यू होता और जस्ट इसलिए बिगड़ जाता कि मैंने नावेद को नहीं पूछा तो मैं भी गिल्ट फील करता।
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, let's talk about referential integrity.
Uh-huh.
Mirza, you are seeing this table employee. You are seeing my screen, right?
Yes.
Should I enlarge it?
No, that's fine.
Is it better now? So Mirza, have a look at this table employee. We have EMP number, EMP name, salary, commission, and department number.
Mm-hmm.
So let's look at these two columns particularly. EMP number and department number. EMP number is primary key of table employee.
Mm-hmm.
Means it should be unique for each and every tuple, each and every row which is present inside this table employee.
Mm-hmm.
And department number is primary key of some other table called department.
Yes.
Department number should be unique in table department. Department number
Department.
20 and 30.
Mm-hmm.
Now, whichever employee we are hiring, we should assign that employee a department number. Suppose I am hiring a new employee. His employee ID is gonna be 7567. His name is gonna be Mirza. I'm assigning him department number 40.
Okay.
So department number 40 is not there in table department.
Yes.
So assigning department number as 40 is not a valid scenario.
Uh-huh. Yes, that's true.
Corresponding to the number that I am specifying in employee table, a record should already exist in table department with that department ID.
Mm-hmm.
So that department ID is referred to as foreign key in table employee, which refers to table department number.
Yes.
Mirza, whatever I said, listen to it again and again using that recording.
Okay.
It will make sense. I'm repeating again. In table employee, we have employee number as our primary key and department number as our foreign key.
Foreign
Department
key. Yes.
number in department number in table employee refers to another table department and department number column inside that.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever value we are gonna assign in department number in table employee should already be present in table department.
Yes.
Then only we will be able to assign that value to that particular employee.
Mm-hmm.
So this phenomena is called referential integrity,
Uh-huh.
also known as primary key foreign key relationship.
Foreign key. Yes.
Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Great. I'm pinging you this link. We'll see examples also. If you want, just go through it once. So मिर्जा यहाँ पर definitions भी हैं. I don't think मुझे कुछ भी लिखवाना पड़ेगा. सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे already.
Okay.
So I will just read it out. It is important that data adhere to a predefined set of rules as determined by database admin or application developer. So we have seen this example employee and departments and null rule. Null rule is a rule defined on, okay, these are different integrity rules other than referential integrity.
Okay.
So Mirza, you remember I made you write the definition of DDL.
Yes.
I also made you write the definition of database instance and database schema.
Uh-huh. Yes.
I also made you write the definition of relational schema and
Yes.
relation.
Database. Yes. Is schema is a logical design of database. Database in instant is a
Correct,
snapshot. Yes.
correct. So मिर्जा उसमें एक point है. It talks about defining integrity rules. See the definition of database instance. हमने वहाँ पे integrity rules की भी बात की है.
Okay.
So these are integrity rules, Mirza. The first one is null rule. Let's say मेरे पास कोई table है, table employee. Now it is mandatory for each employee to have telephone number and email ID. So I'll put a constraint to that particular column and I will say that email and phone number corresponding to a given employee should not be null in any case.
Uh-huh.
So that's called not null constraint.
Yes.
We talked about difference between unique ID and primary key.
Yes.
What is the difference? So the difference was primary key should be unique as well as not null. In case of unique ID, one and only one value can be null and all the values present in that attribute should be unique.
Okay.
Okay, so this is unique key constraint and primary key constraint. And we just talked about referential integrity. Referential integrity is nothing but primary key foreign key constraint. Okay,
Okay.
you can see the definitions from here in detail. Okay, Mirza, I think we should conclude it for today. We'll continue with other topics from tomorrow onwards.
Okay. No
Tomorrow,
problem.
tomorrow we'll be discussing about joins.
Join. Okay.
Just make sure to practice enough on whatever topics we have discussed till now.
Okay. I will.
And I will share the recording of this session via Dropbox.
But my Dropbox is full right now.
So I'll create a Dropbox and I'll share the password with you. You can connect to that Dropbox and download it.
Okay.
You can do
That
that?
will be fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we will not keep on filling it up and we will keep on emptying it.
Okay.
So I think that would be okay. Okay, Mirza. Have a nice day. Bye.
Okay. Good night. Bye-bye.
Bye. Let me end the meeting. Stop recording.